it like an obstacle course. After flossing your teeth, start by holding your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. This is where the majority of the plaque can be found. Don't be afraid to brush your gum tissue. Make sure the bristles go under the gum line to remove any plaque beneath the surface. Start on the upper right side and move from the back teeth to the front teeth, making sure that you brush every tooth. Repeat this on the upper left, lower left, and lower right sides. Then move on to the inside surfaces of the teeth. Make sure that you repeat brushing the inside surfaces of the upper left, lower left, and lower right sides. Make sure that you brush every tooth. Then move on to the biting surfaces of the teeth in both the upper and the lower jaws. Next, turn the bristles down to a 45-degree angle toward the braces. Start from the back and move to the front, making sure that you brush every tooth on every side. Next, turn your toothbrush down at a 90-degree angle with the braces and try to brush the braces in all the teeth behind the wire. Do this between every bracket and all four sides of your mouth. Start on the upper right side and move from the back teeth to the front teeth, making sure that you brush every tooth. Repeat this on the upper left, lower left, and lower right sides. Now turn the toothbrush up to a 45-degree angle and brush under the braces, just like you did on the top of the braces. Then repeat at a 90-degree angle to get in between the teeth and the wire. Do this for every tooth. You can also use a proxy brush for those hard-to-reach places under the wire and around the brackets and hooks. It should take you between 5 to 10 minutes to do it correctly.
Now we are going to show you in this video how to floss with your braces. As you can see, you just take the firm end of the floss, pull it underneath the bracket, floss like normal, going back and forth, making sure that you're getting any type of food that is stuck in there out. And then you are just going to pull the floss out from underneath the wire, and then repeat this process for the top and bottom, and do this between each tooth. Towards the end of this video, you will see what type of floss we do recommend. You can also purchase the floss that you see in this video with the little floss threader and just use regular floss and thread it through there. With your braces, the 3 words that you need to remember are hard, sticky, and chewy. Things like Jolly Ranchers, gummy bears, mints, suckers, all the things like that are super hard, sticky, and chewy. Just really try and stay away from. Things like chips and pretzels. Just try not to eat the rods and the bites and like the kettle cooked chips, things like that. Lay's and those kind of chips are fine. Anything that's breaded or has a hard crust, tear the crust off and do not eat that part. One of the things that isn't really hard, sticky, or chewy that we seem to have a lot of problems with is popcorn. So really try and stay away from that because the kernels can get stuck underneath your gums, and with the braces you can't really see the kernels, and then we do seem to see a lot of infection. Now with the drinks with your braces, if you are going to have anything that's not plain water, we do really want to limit that. So any type of pop, juice, flavored water, water additives, milk, anything like that, even if it says no sugar added, it does have a lot of acidity in it. So if you are going to have anything that's not plain water, what we would like you to do is just have it with a meal while you're eating, and then as soon as you are done eating, brush right away. If you are leaving the acid from the drinks and you're drinking bad drinks all the time, there is a possibility that you will start to get white spots. And those are permanent, so just make sure as soon as you're done drinking any type of bad drink, make sure that you are going to brush. As shown in the flossing video, we are going to give you in your kit when you show up to get your braces on a little pack of floss. We call them floss threaders. It has a firm tip and the rest of the floss is flimsy. So you just take that firm tip, go right underneath your wire, and then floss from there. Also in your kit, we do give you a little rinse. This is because sometimes when you get your braces on, you get a little bit of an irritation from the brackets rubbing against your cheek. So you can just take this and rinse around with it and spit it out. It does pretty much the same thing as warm salt water. It just has a little bit of extra peroxide in this. And then you can also buy this at any type of store. They sell it just right by the mouthwashes. You will also be getting a travel toothbrush and toothpaste in your kit to take with you to school or if you go anywhere. And then also you will be getting a regular toothbrush today. It is a Gobi toothbrush. And then we also are going to give you a little bit of wax. If anything is loose or broken and really bugging you, just dry off the area until it's pretty dry and then stick the wax on there and then give us a call right away so that way we can get you in and get you all fixed up. Thank you so much for watching our video on how to take care of your braces, and we really look forward to having you as our patient. At the end of this video, we do have our card on there with our Portage and Hebron numbers. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Hope you're doing great after getting your braces on. See you soon. Bye.